Well, welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Startup founders need some technical skills. Here's a list of skills to bring to your startup. Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You'll use this for budgeting, forecasts, and numerous other applications. Data analysis. You should be familiar with Google Analytics and other basic analytic tools to gather information about your sales and marketing efforts. Basic coding skills. You should be able to read HTML to make changes and update your website. WordPress. You may outsource the design and setup of your website, but you should know enough about the back end to make text changes and minor updates. Design tools. You need to be familiar with design software for making logos, presentations, and other content pieces. Cloud. You should have a working knowledge of cloud tools since it's a place you store your documents, run applications, and host your data. Collaboration tools. You should be able to use collaboration tools as it's the primary method for communicating with others in your company. CRM automation. You should be able to set up emails and responders. A founder does not need to be a specialist in technology, but should have basic technical skills to run office automation, websites, and other systems. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start up something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.